So in talking about the actual time constraints that you have. So at the start of the call, we kind of went over that we had about 40% of the people that only had 1 to 5 hours to spend a week on their business. And then we had about 30% of people, I think, that only had about 6 to 10 or 11 hours a week. So what we're looking at doing, and this is something that we're going to be doing for sure, is I think probably everything that we're doing here, but we want to create more targeted and specific coaching. So as opposed to having, say, 1 hour coaching calls where you can actually book in 30 minutes coaching calls that are going to be specific and targeted to the actual challenge or problem you're going to solve, right? Because right now our coaching programs are pretty broad. I mean, we have the product discovery, of course, and that's pretty specific and straightforward. But we don't really have a targeted coaching program where if you say, "Hey, I just need 30 minutes," someone who's an expert on Shopify, right? I just need 30 minutes of your time. Someone who's an expert. You fill out a particular questionnaire in exactly what the challenge is, what the problem you're having, and then you can get that expert on for 30 minutes, right? Or a specific expert in different marketplaces. So maybe you want to get on eBay, but you're not really sure, or maybe you've started doing your listings on eBay, and then you just need a 30-minute quick coaching session with an eBay expert, right? So we want to focus on getting many experts in different fields: Shopify experts, Facebook, mindset, personal development, USP, so unique selling proposition, even finance, budgeting, right? All of that jazz. So because you are limited in your time, it makes sense to be able to get on a call and know exactly what the topic is, right? Or what that particular coaching topic is that you're actually going to learn or you need to learn depending where you're at. Now, if you're going for the accountability program and you get stuck at a certain place, well, then the actual coach or the mentor will be able to direct you in a certain way and ensure that you can get that solved, right? So having 30-minute coaching sessions, I think, is important. I actually used to like doing 30-minute coaching sessions as opposed to 1 hour sessions, because usually 30 minutes is going to be a lot more targeted for you, right? So having an actual place or a coaching program where we have specific experts in specific fields, and that includes traffic, also includes marketing, includes Facebook ads, includes PPC ads, or anything like that. So you'd be able to go through the list, you'd be able to see a bio of the actual coach, of the actual expert that they've selected as their, expert niche, and then you'd be able to select them, get that 30-minute session, and go from there. One of you guys also mentioned something about having pre-planned calls, and I kind of like that idea. I am actually getting through everyone's comments, which have been awesome. They've actually given me a lot of really good ideas where we have pre-planned topics on calls, so that way you know exactly what's going to happen on that call. But also Q&As. I understand also that Q&As, we don't really do them anymore, right? I think when I came on board with Empower Hour, we're not doing Q&As as much. So what I'm going to be doing with that is on Facebook, or the new VIP Facebook page, which I'll speak about in a second. But what I want to do is probably put a post on there on Monday or something like that. And then people can put their questions in there, and then I can do a Facebook Live Q&A answering those questions, just ensure they're all covered.
Hey there, this is Neil Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonline AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.